Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about the important vitamins that specifically people who go for a vegan diet needs. Before getting into the video, do not forget to check out my clothing brand IronX Official. I'm going to leave the link down in description below. Now let us get into the video. So nowadays so many people are turning vegan. They are switching their diet from a non-vegetarian to a vegan. They are avoiding meat, they are avoiding dairy products, which is a good thing. We actually need that. So to all those who are taking that initiative, kudos to you all. But now that you are switching to it, there are certain things that are not available in a vegetarian or a vegan diet. So to know what deficiencies you might get, that is something that is important. Like in the beginning you are going to feel nice and clean and everything, but eventually there is a possibility that you start feeling sluggish, you start feeling not so energetic and other things. That is because of two main things, that is vitamin B12 and iron. The vegetarian diets are not that rich, or more specifically our body fails to absorb that from the food. So we need to take care of these two vitamins. Vitamin B12 is a very important vitamin for our body. It helps our brain to function better, and a lot more things are there which vitamin B12 actually helps or is important for. And similarly with iron. So, and I'm sure you all might know that women actually have iron deficiencies, so we need to take care of these things. We all know that whenever someone comes to me, and the first thing I ask is whether you are a non-vegetarian, you're an eggitarian, or a vegetarian or a vegan. So the reason why we ask that is so that we know what extra nutrition we need to put in the form of supplements or something else, so that you don't get deficient of some other vitamins or minerals which are important for the body. So uh, to all those people who are turning vegan, just take care that you put a focus on the sources in your food that have B12 and iron, or whether you need to take it in the form of supplements, because they are important for your body. Uh, myself am a vegetarian, and I take supplements which I need. Like I do take multivitamin in my diet, because come on, let us accept the fact that the food that is available now is not as nutritionist as it used to be, and also our body sometimes fails to absorb what is there in the food. So to cover up all those things, we have to take it in the form of supplements or in the form of tablets. I know people don't prefer taking it, but again, I have said it before in my previous videos that multivitamin is something that is very important for us. And we like no matter what age group you are from, or what sort of a lifestyle like you what sort of a lifestyle you are in, multivitamin is something that is important for each and every one of us. And vitamins and minerals in general are important for our body, because the main functions or main operations that happen in our body are, they actually help in them. They help release certain enzymes, they help in hormonal functions, they help in basic, like even in digestive system, the vitamins and minerals play a very important role. And similarly in all the other important functions of a body, they do play an important role. And people who switch from non-vegetarian to vegetarian, or they are vegetarian since the very beginning. I have known people who are vegetarian and have a lot of B12 deficiency, or maybe deficiency of vitamin D, and iron deficiency is very common. So we need to take care of those things specifically. So to all those people who are vegan or who have just turned vegan, do take care of your nutrition, do take care of your vitamins, and do not uh, put yourself in a position where you get a deficiency of certain vitamin, because vitamin deficiencies does turn into some really bad diseases, like deficiency of for instance, deficiency of iodine gives you problem related to thyroid gland, and similarly there are so many n number of other diseases that you can get, and some of the diseases are really severe. You can even die because of those deficiencies. So to avoid all those things, keep a check on yourself, keep a check on your body and your diet, what you're eating, and keep your nutrition well. And I really hope you like the video. Do not forget to check my clothing brand out, INX Official. The link is in the description down below. Also, if you have any suggestions for me, do put them in the comments, and keep liking me, keep supporting me. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Aspiring Psych, and I hope you all are well. Stay happy, stay safe.